So to find the area of this polygon, I have to first divide it into smaller rectangles. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm also just going to label them so you know which rectangle I'm working on. I'm going to label this 1, this is 2, and 3. So I'm going to work on the first one, just to find the area of the first rectangle here. I know that area equals length times width, so I'm going to do 8 times 1, and that equals 8 centimeters squared. So I can go ahead and label the rectangle 1. And now I'm going to work on rectangle 2. I know that this unknown length right here is going to be 8 because the opposite side is also 8. So I'm going to just go ahead and label that. Oops. So this side here is also 8. And I need to figure out what this one is. So I know that this entire length at the top here is 7 centimeters. I know that this length right here is 1 because the opposite side is 1. And I know that this piece right here is 5 because the opposite side is 5. So now I just need to figure this left, or this one that's left, so I can figure out the width of it. So I'm going to take the whole length side, 7, minus 1, which is this part here, minus 5, and I get 1 centimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and label that as well. So this top here is 1 centimeters. Okay, so now that I have that, I can go ahead and do the same thing I did for rectangle 1, and I'll find the area, same as rectangle 1, and that is 8 times 1 again, which is 8 centimeters squared for the area. I'm going to go ahead and label that. And then the last part here, I have the length, which is 5 centimeters, and I don't know what the width is. So I know that this entire length right here is 8 centimeters, and then this part of it is 4 centimeters. So the whatever's left over must be 8 minus 4. So I'm going to show you that right here. 8 minus 4 equals 4 centimeters. I'm going to label that. So now I have length times width. I can find the area of that third rectangle. 5 times 4, which is 20 centimeters squared. I forgot to make a box for that, so I'm just going to do that quickly right here. So that area there is 20 centimeters squared. And now the last thing I need to do is add up all of the areas of each rectangle. And as you can see, I have 8 plus 8 plus 20. That gives me 36 centimeters squared.